Hey guys, this is Sankeerthana Reddy from the team Debugging Divas, and today I'm here to replicate the BookMyShow landing page. So before going to replicate it, I'm going to show you the official website of BookMyShow. Here comes the official website of BookMyShow, and these BookMyShow search box, Hyderabad sign in button, menu bar, and movies, streams, list your show. These are all called as navigation bars, and this is the main image, movie posters, movies names, likes, stars, and these all these things I'm going to replicate it now by using HTML and CSS. So for using the HTML and CSS, we have to create a folder. I've also created a folder name called BMS landing page, and I'm going to open this folder in the Visual Studio Code. And I've also created assets folder where I have pasted all the images which I'm going to use it now. So for writing the HTML and CSS code, we need two files. So firstly, I'm going to create index.html file for writing the HTML code, and the another file naming index.css for writing the CSS code. Coming to the HTML code, this is the basic HTML code which we are going to use it now. And coming to the body section, in the body section we are going to write all that. So we have in the body section we have, so first we are going to create these navigation bars for now. We have two navigation bars. In that first navigation bar we have left division as well as the right division. In the second navigation bar we have left division as well as the right division, right? So I'm going to create the now first navigation bar. For that I'm going to use the nav element here. In that nav element we have two divisions, left as well as right. For this navigation bar I'm going to give a class name called navbar. Yeah, we have two divisions, right? So I'm going to create a two divisions, 1 and 2. For the first division, I'm going to give a name of class left, and I'm going to give a class name for second division. I'm going to give a class name right. In that left division, we have the Book My Show logo and as well as the search box, right? So for giving the Book My Show image, I'm going to use the image element here. SRC indicates the source. I've already said you that I have pasted all the images in the assets folder. So I'm just linking the assets folder here. Yeah, in the assets folder, I've given a name called BG1. Yeah, after the Book My Show logo, we have also have the search box, right? So I'm going to use the input element where we can, input is used for entering the data. So type, which type of data you are entering. I'm going to enter the text type of data. Yeah, placeholder, search for movies, place. Yeah, the left division is finished. Now coming to the right division, we have the location, sign in button and the menu bar, right? So for the location, I'm going to use the H4 heading, Hyderabad, right? So I'm going to write Hyderabad here. Going to give a class name for it also, LOC. And we have also have a button, right? Sign in button. So I'm going to use the button element, and we also have the menu bar, right? For creating a menu bar I'm going to use the I element. In that, I'm searching the menu bar in the font awesome. Have also searched it actually, so I'm going to copy it and paste in the Visual Studio Code in the HTML. For this menu bar I'm going to give a class name called, as it is menu bar, I'm going to give menu. Yeah, so far we have completed the first navigation bar. Let me show you the output once. Yeah, this is the output. Further we'll style it, don't worry. And in the so I'll show you. Now we are going to create the second navigation bar. So in that second navigation bar we also have the left division as well as the right division. So I'm going to create the two divisions first and the second. The for first navigation bar we have given a class name called navbar. So now for the second I'm going to give a class name called section nav, and for this S left for the left and S right for the right. Yeah, in the S left we have 7 paragraphs so far. So I'm going to create a 7 paragraphs. In the right side, we have 4 paragraphs. So I'm going to create a 4. Uh, Let me check. Yeah, we have in the left side, we have movies, streams, events, plays. Let me write those first. Stream, plays, and what more? Events, plays, sports. And what we have? Sports activities bus. Yeah. And in the right division, we have list your show. And also we have, yeah, corporates offers gift cards. Yeah, gift cards. So I'll show you the output one. So far we have created, yeah, these two navigation bars. Now I'm going, these divisions are completed. Now coming to the another division, we have a main image, right? So I'm going to create this main image in the another division. So I'm going to take another division where I'm giving the class name called main for styling it. Here I'm going to paste an image. As you all know that for image we use img. Yeah, in the assets folder I've given a name called bms2. Yeah, the first is completed, and the main image is completed now. And coming, we have recommended movies and the movie posters, right? So for that we have to create another division. I'm just giving a class name called container for it. In that division we have the movie posters, right? So I'm going to create another division in it where I'm giving the class name card for it. So in this division we have the movie posters, right? So I'm just pasting all that images here. First, the Adipurush. Again we have flash. I've taken a random movies. You can use as your own. Next we have transformers. Sorry. Yeah. And next I'm going for another image where I'm going to use a spider. Yeah. And another. Yeah. In that I'm going to use, sorry. Yeah, sorry for the late. Actually, we didn't find it. Yeah, we have so far we have completed. So so far we have completed these movie posters, right? So now we are going to write these paragraphs in the another division. So we are going to create another division for it, where I'm giving a class name called, we are writing, as we are writing paragraphs, I'm going to give the class name paragraphs. In that paragraphs, see, here I'm going to take all this as like button. In that button I'm going to write these paragraphs and dislikes and all that. So I'm going to use a button element here. In that button I'm going to give the class name for first one called full text one. So in that we have one icon and as well as the heading, right? I mean the movie name and the as of now I'm going to write this movie name and the dislikes. So for that I'm just using the heads to heading for it. First we need to write that likes, right? So for that I'm going to use, yeah, thumbs up, right? So I'm going to search a thumbs up symbol in the font or some website. Yeah. Yeah, this is the one which I'm going to use and it is in that green color, right? So I'm going to change that color to green. Just a minute, guys. Yeah, I'm just copying it and I'm going to paste it here. Yeah, we have with yeah with the like icon, we have also have 35.7 like, right? So I'm going to write that also, like 1.1 million likes. After writing the icon, we also need to write the movie name, right? For first one, we took the Adipurush, right? So I'm just using the heads to heading for it. In heads to heading, I'm going to write Adipurush. Yeah, the first button is finished now. So we have to create 1, 2, 3, 5 buttons. So I'm just copy pasting it. Yeah, for first one we have given a full text one. I'm going to, for second one I'm going to give full text 2, as well as for third one 3, for fourth 4, and for fifth 5. So in the first one we have taken the like symbol. Just I'll show you the output once. Yeah, for first one we have the likes and for all we have votes and the star symbol, right? So I'm going to use a star symbol for it instead of thumbs up now. Yeah, and it is in the red in color. So I change it color. This is a code. I'm copying it and I'm going to paste it here instead of this like. Yeah. Same as here also. Yeah. For first, I'm just giving a random votes like 8.6. 6 votes and some 7.19 votes and some 37k votes. Like 51 we say. Yeah. So far we have finished. Let me show you the output. Yeah, so far we have finished the navigation bars and the main image and the movie posters and all this like likes, votes, images and all this. So I'm sorry I have to change the movie names, right? Yeah. For second one we took Flash. Yeah. For third one we have taken Transformer. After that we have taken a Spider-Man. And next we took Z जरा हट के जरा बच के. Yeah. So far we have finished. Yeah, up to this, and we are going to create the banner best of live events now. So for that we need to take another division for it. Giving a class name called banner for it. In that banner we are going to paste an image. In the division I'm going to paste an image. Where I've given a name called stream leading. Yeah, yeah, the banner is finished now. And coming to the yeah, the banner is finished now. Now we are going to create this same we have used here, right? Same I'm going to use the same code where have used for recommended movies. So I'm just copy pasting it now. Yeah, yeah. I'm just giving a name called container and this just a minute. So in that we have best of live events, right? So for that I'm going to use the heading H2. Sorry, I didn't use it. Okay. Yeah, so in the class we have to use recommended movies here. Yeah, so far we have completed up to the best of live events, and we have to edit all this. Here I'm going to paste workshop. Here I'm going to paste kids zone. I think the same image is there, I think. Yeah, the workshop, kids zone, comedy shows, music, and esports. Workshop, kids zone. And the third image is comedy shows. Coming to the fourth image, we have music. And the last one is esports. I'll just stay fit here. So far we have finished that. Again, we are going to create a premiere. So far we have created up to the best of live events. Now we are going to create the premiere image now. So for that I'm going to take another division, giving a name called premiere for it. Yeah, I'm going to use the H2 heading in that. Premiere. In that we have another division, giving a class called card for it, same as the above. Yeah, we have 5, right? So I'm just copy pasting it instead of writing all that. I'm going to change it. I'm going to change the images like P1. And the last one P5. Yeah, yeah, up to premiere we have finished, and coming to the footer, I mean this footer text. Yeah, yeah, coming to this I'm going to create it now. So for that I'm going to take the another division, naming the class footer for it. In that division I'm going to paste an image, BookMyShow logo, where I have given a name logo for it. In that I'm taking the another division, giving a name called icons, where I'm going to paste all the icons here. Yeah, now I want to search the icons. We need Facebook, Instagram. Yeah, Facebook. I'm just going to copy paste it. Yeah, and we also need Instagram, right? I think it will be available here. Yeah. Yeah. We also need Twitter, YouTube also, and YouTube. You can place any social media icons here. Yeah. This is the closing tag of HTML, I mean body. And we also need, sorry, yeah, a closing tag of HTML. This is the HTML code. So I'll just show you the output once. Yeah, so far we have created all it, these navigation bars. This is the main image and this is the movie posters, movie names with the likes and dots, banner image, best of live events, premiere, and at last the BookMyShow logo and the icons. Here it is. So we are going to style all these in the CSS. So coming to the CSS, so for styling it, I'm going to use for star. Star indicates for all the HTML code. I'm going to give a margin 0 and padding 0. Padding in the sense, inline spacing is known as padding. Margin means the spacing from the border is known as margin. So I'm giving the padding and margin 0. And I'm going to style, first I'm going to style this. Yeah. So first I'm going to style this navbar. So here in CSS, the class is indicated by the dot. Yeah, navbar. I'm going to give display flex. Flex is used for keeping all the images in a row, and justify content, center, and justify content, space around. Yeah. And I'm going to use the margin top color and all that. Margin top is used for spacing from the bottom. Yeah, I'm just giving the 11 pixels margin top, and color I'm just giving white. Color indicates the text color. Background color, just giving the RGB color. You can choose any color as you wish. For now I'm going to use this. Yeah, and I'm also giving a padding 6 pixels. I'll show you the output after finishing this styling. Vertical align top. It aligns all the images or the text at the top. So I'll show you the output once. Yeah. I think you can see the change here, right? So I'm going to style each and everything separately now. So for that, just a minute. Yeah, I'm going to style it specially for each and everything. I've given a names, right? Left and right. In the nav bar, I'm going to style the left separately and the right separately. So I'm just giving a name, nav bar space dot left. It indicates that in the nav bar, I'm going to style the left one. Same, I'm going to give the display flex where it aligns all the images. And I'm going to give a margin top. (16 pixels). I think you can see the changes here. I'm just styling the left side images. Yeah, now I'm going to style the right side of images. I'm just copy pasting it. Yeah, same flex and 16 pixels. So I'm going to style the separate images, separate styling. I'm going to give the separate dot left image. Yeah, I'm going to give the width of 22 pixels or 22% and margin top as 15 pixels. Left image is finished. Now coming to the right paragraph, I mean this Hyderabad, I'm going to style it now. For that I'm going to use dot right space p, indicates that the right paragraph. For that I'm going to give margin inline 22 pixels and font size 22 pixels. Yeah. Next for the right button, otherwise I'll just open the notepad. Yeah. So far we have finished the right paragraph. Now I'm going to tell you about the right button and the right icon. The right button in the sense sign in button and the right icon in the sense the menu bar which is at the right side. Yeah, margin inline, width, height, border radius, background color, red I have given, the text color I have given the white, margin top and all this. The right icon indicates the menu bar. Now we are going to style this. Let me explain you this. Section nav, we have given a class called section nav for the second navigation bar, right? So we are going to style the second navigation bars. So for that in the second navigation bar we have given the display flex, justify content, padding, background color and color. Text color I have given white so that all the names came in white color, and the background color I given some random color so it came like this. We have completed up to the section nav, right? Now we are going to style it separately. Left, yeah, this is for the left side. for right side, just a minute guys. Yes, right pane. And this is for hovering. I'll just show you. Yeah. So far we have finished the left part. I'm just adding. So we have finished up to this. And we are going to style now the main image. I have given a width of 100% where it can occupies the all the space. And this code is for this code is for the heading, I mean recommended movies. I'll show you just a minute. Yeah. Yeah, this is for the H1 image, in the sense the recommended movies which have styled it here, and the container card indicates this posters, and these card images for separate images. Now we are going to style the banner and the best of live events and all this. For that, yeah, this is for the recommended movies. Yeah, and this is for the card image, and this is for the second container, that means the best of live events. I've just given a names to avoid confusion. And this is for the banner image, and this is for the premiere. This is for the footer icons, the footer images, where we can see here. For every footer text, we have styled separately. So far we have 5, so we have styled it in separately. And this is for location, and this is for menu. I think we got, yeah, sorry. I'll show you the output once. Yeah guys, yeah, this is the output we get. And thank you for giving me this opportunity, and subscribe GoCinQ for more updates and videos like this. Thank you.